Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So today we decided to install some custom built cabinets with floating shelves, and we did not do this ourselves. We actually did hire a team to come in and construct this because after we looked at it, we decided that this was probably not a project for us to do if we wanted it to actually look nice and custom. And they did do a really good job. Because the side of our fireplace is not the same width on each side, you guys can't tell, but it actually is not the same size on the side of the fireplace. We just wanted to make sure this stuff was done right. I did show the guys a picture that I got off of Pinterest, and they did exactly what I needed them to do. So if you guys live in Texas, I live in Burleson, Texas. I am going to post their information in my description box if you guys are interested. But they were very professional. They did this job in about 3 hours. I was not at home at the time. My husband did do a good job of taping. So he actually taped all this for me. The day of construction, I was actually at work, and my husband purposely didn't send me pictures throughout the day of the progress because he wanted to see my reaction when I got home. And when I walked through the door, I started crying how beautiful it was and how exact it was to the picture that I showed them. So I was so happy, and I just stood there and just looked at it probably for about 10 minutes. So I am so thankful for these guys, and I'm so glad we found them. Because I know somebody's gonna ask the kind of dog that we have. He is called a Cane Corsa. He is an Italian breed of a Mastiff. And his temperament is even-tempered, reserved, stable, and he's actually quiet, pretty quiet and calm. The only time, if he feels like we're being threatened, that's the only time you'll see him react. Other than that, he's pretty nice with everybody. We did get this dog when he was 6 weeks old. He is 3 now, and he's a pretty big dog. He's a really, really good dog. Just in case somebody asks me, because I know somebody probably will. But he is called a Cane Corsa, and his color is gray. They did have to cut some of my crown molding, which I was bummed about, but such is life, because we did pay extra to have this crown molding put in. It is 5 inches tall of crown molding. And they built those cabinets off site just because everything is solid wood. And if you guys know right now, everything is pretty high. All construction material, everything is pretty high. And just for what they charged us and what they gave us was definitely worth the price. And these guys did replicate the cabinets that I have in my kitchen already. So it gives it an overall finished look. And I am so excited for you guys to see what we did with our paint job. And I can't wait till you guys see the decorations that are up. You guys, it just looks so good. And I'm so happy about it. All right, guys. So I definitely appreciate you guys stopping by to watch my video. You guys don't forget to give me a thumbs up. If you are here and you haven't subscribed, please go ahead and consider hitting that subscribe button. And I will see you guys on the next one. Bye.